Hey friends, I'm back again. So today I'll be making something best out of waste and DIY. I saw this really cool Matchbox art in the store at the Bangalore airport and I thought why not make it myself. So the things you'll need is some matchboxes. I've painted these with acrylic paint, some sponge, Fevicol glue stick, paper to make your cutouts, scissors to cut them out, markers, and some colored pens. So let's get started. I'll be making the matchbox art on the topic bullying. So I have got this matchbox which was lying waste around home. I painted the outer portion white and the inner portion black. Then I cut some cutouts according to the size of the matchbox. Now I'm going to color it and paste them. So in the first one, I've shown two kids bullying another kid. And in the second one, I've shown another kid helping the other kid. So basically, he's extending a helping hand. I'll be coloring these and pasting these for the matchbox. So I've colored all these. So now I'll be pasting these. I'm going to use a sponge to create a pop-up effect. So let's start. Now I'll be cutting the sponge. All the things I'm using in this are waste things. So this is a totally best out of waste project. So that's how I'm going to create a pop-up effect. So now I'll be sticking the message, stand up against bullies. There we go. Now at the back of the box, I'll be putting stop bullying. And now your matchbox art is ready. Ta-da! It promotes anti-bullying. So similarly, I made another matchbox saying happiness is making friends, knowing we're different. And at the back of it, I've written, be you because you're amazing. So after all this, I just want to leave two messages. One, stand up against bullies because bullying leaves a very bad effect on the person who's going through it. And second, use your artistic abilities to spread positive vibes and lasting messages.